Well, hello friends. I have a lot of videos to make, but not content with that, I am going to have an unboxing of a new watch. I truly wanted this year to be without purchases of watches, but you know how things are with this hobby, with collecting. So I have another one which will make the third I buy this year and the fourth that I get. So I'm going to just go ahead and open the bag, and of course you all know what it is because of the thumbnail. And here is the box. There's nothing interesting here, nothing to see. Well, a normal box, but you see, Lorier. I really love this brand. I have had many watches from Lorier, but for one reason or another I have sold all of them. One of them I kind of regret. What do we have here? Yes, this is the Rambler. As you all see, this is the thank you, signed by them. Very nice people, have been talking to them. And here is the strap, a leather strap. Looks of good quality. I kind of like it. Supple, signed in leather, handmade in Italy. You can tell there is quality here. There's some nice quality. I like this bag with tissues and all that. Oh, that's very... Oh, here is a poly watch. The first time I see this bag to carry, I guess it's to carry the watch and a cloth. Here is invoice, nothing to show here. And here is hopefully the watch. It has some weight. Now let's open the box. Oh, well, here it is. Okay, one thing to notice. Oh, I love this box. This is a beautiful box. You see? Oh, that's so cool, so cute. I like it a lot. Okay, this watch doesn't come with this bracelet. This is a bracelet for the Lorier Falcon III. It comes with this one, but I got this separately from the normal strap, and they decided to put it on the watch, which I really appreciate. Thank you very much. And well, this is the watch. It's already running. Now let's take it out. Of course I will need to adjust it, but probably right now I might only I will probably put the leather strap because I have to go out now. Now, you see it? The dial? No, there it goes. Beautiful dial. Relax, breathing case. Now, I'm going to take the plastic off. Better to see it this way. I really like the look, this type of watches with these orange numerals, 36 millimeters. So this is the Lorier Rambler, and I will of course make a review after I get some time to spend some time with the watch. Right now I'm going to put the leather strap and we'll go out to take a walk with my wife. So thank you very much for watching. I will be making new videos soon, and have a great day. Thank you for being here. Bye bye.